Shalom, friends. To be an example, we read 1 Timothy 4 and verse 12. Let no one despise your youth, but be an example to the believers in word, in contact, in love, in spirit, in faith, in purity. Please pray with me. Lord, help me to lead by example in every area of my life. Let my words reflect truth and kindness, and let my actions align with the faith I profess. Strengthen my character so that I may walk in integrity even when no one is watching. Fill my heart with genuine love and purity that honors you. Help me to remain teachable, humble, and faithful in daily life. May others be encouraged to follow Jesus more closely because of the consistency and sincerity they see in me. I surrender my influence to you today. Amen.